Hi, I'm Arnold. I'm Professor of Molecular Plant Pathology and I work in the department that covers biology at UWE. It's great, it's really multidisciplinary, there's lots of different people, lots of different backgrounds. So if you ever have any queries or questions, there's always someone to go to. It's a fantastic department, really nice place to work. So specifically, I look at bacteria that infect plants, particularly bacteria that infect tomatoes and beans, and we're trying to really understand how they can cause disease in plants, and more importantly, how we can stop them causing disease in plants. So we're looking at the genetics of the bacteria with a long-term aim of trying to prevent these important diseases that cause big problems with commercial crops. So the projects that would be available in our subjects, specifically for my research, we do projects that use microbes, so bacteria, and we clone into them different genes and we look at how they're expressed. And so students learn many different techniques in molecular biology doing those, and that comes out of the type of work I do. But more generally in biology, we have projects using a model organism, a very tiny worm called C. elegans, and we're looking at how different toxic chemicals, for example caffeine, can affect the way they behave and their gene expression. We have projects on different microorganisms, looking at how we can develop different antibiotics to those. And we have projects on something called microalgae, which are algae that we can use to make energy, which is really important for sustainability, and also how we can use these algae to clean up chemicals that we don't want in the environment any longer, and this is called bioremediation. There's quite a range of projects available in the biology area. My science story, from what I can remember, I really liked science at school. Biology was my favourite lesson, my favourite teachers, and I think really that is where it began. It was an interest that was developed through there, and I went on to do my A-levels in biology, a degree in biology, and at that point realised I really enjoyed research, so carried on doing research and eventually came to UWE not very long after I got my PhD. So I've stayed at UWE for 22 years now, and changing jobs as I've gone, and loved it all, yeah.